It's another installment of the spring and summer series of 2021. Beginner gardening, the accidental gardener, gardening 101, the hot girl gardener, the city to country girl gardener. I got nothing.
Town, take the next flight out. I wanna go somewhere. Europe, 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 Europe. Let's go to Europe, Europe.
Welcome back to this week's video. My name is Rita Slanina, author of Harbor Excursions and just released series of the Take Me Away journal and travel planner collection, so be sure to check that out. So this year I decided to do some gardening. I took the approach of dive in head first, and boy did I. I had no idea what I was doing. I did not think that I had a green thumb. I don't have a green thumb, at least I didn't think I did, and I pretty much killed everything unless it was a person or a pet. I could keep those things alive, but it's plants. Forget about it.
Grab tomato Roma project. Here's some kale popping up. Look at my little baby leaves. Radishes. I had more in there, but I stuck them outside and they got a little too cold and I think I killed them off. And then I got some more tomatoes right there.
So I'm going to take you through what I was doing through spring and summer.
2021. Give you a little update because our trees are rotted and causing damage to us and our neighbors. So we have had the tree guy here for 2 days now. And to say a mess is occurring would be an understatement. Now we're just kind of moving stuff around so that they can finish. I think they'll be here a couple more days. I'm hoping I can salvage. Just to notate, they did a great job. There's nothing wrong with what they did, but the mess was inevitable. All of this, these have not been hit, so that's good. My trellises cemented in and thrown off, so I don't know. That broke loose from underneath. That little grapevine's doing good though. On the plus side, look at our little zucchinis in here. Looks like we have 2 of them. Third one coming in there. Just a notation, I did not know that these were flowering zucchinis at this point and we were going to die off. Garlic in the back is doing good.
Hit the like button and comment below if you know how to get rid of these animals. Like, I've tried everything humanely and it just wasn't. Is an airsoft humane? I may or may not have brought out an airsoft gun.
Grapevine again. Watermelon. And apparently the grass along the sidewalk is offensive to this animal. Oh, did he get that back there too? Roses don't seem to care that something's digging them up. Got some green on one of the goji berry. The other thing, and then look at our cute little, of course our ladybugs are crossing. It's the 3rd time my goji berries have been dug up, literally dug up. Grapevines. I was told to build some sort of protective caging around them to stop the thing from digging up my plants. So let's see if this works. I'm gonna do this around everything. superstar zucchini plant, although they keep dying off. I think I'm having a calcium issue here. Learning curve alert. I was actually overwatering. Just look at the spots on the leaves. It's really just coming together. Grass is finally coming in. And look at how well these crawling roses are doing. Predator lights are not working. There's still something getting into my seeds, and actually these were my radishes, so they were feasting on my radishes. I'm gonna have to figure out another plan there. Let's see if this works. I don't know how to paint this one, but I read it online. Holy crap. Irish Spring soap in socks. Totally stopped that freaking thing from coming into my thing. Update: Predator lights and Irish Spring socks only worked for about 5 minutes.
So one thing nobody told me about gardening is that you get critters, skunks, squirrels, birds, raccoons, pretty much anything that wants to tear up your garden. And boy, did I have to deal with that.
Also to notate, not only did the vermin eat the apples and peanut butter from inside the trap, it freaking peed itself or wet itself all over the blanket to make a mockery. I mean, this is brand new.
Happy hump day. I know, I'm super excited about this. Since I haven't really been doing much outdoors because it's super hot, I've taken my spring cleaning indoors and disheveling my entire home. What are you doing for spring cleaning? Yeah? Nothing? A lot? Too much? Not enough?
Good morning, happy Monday. Okay, so my dude said that little gnomes are evil. I don't know if that's true or not. I tried to look it up and it just says garden gnomes are good luck. And they protect your garden from hopefully the stupid raccoon that's forever eating in my yard. Anyway, I hopefully will finish this today. Okay, so the last phase of this, look, you see it, is the Mod Podge. I'm going to put a layer of this over the entire thing. Oh, I forgot his shirt. All right, so let's get back to the business of gardening. And here's the other one. Looks so beautiful. Even caged a goji berry, but I don't know if I've saved this guy or not. Good thing we got the ladybugs keeping an eye on it. Oh my, look. I mean, he looks so great. The cosmos. I mean, look how big these have gotten. I had no idea how tall these would be.
I absolutely love the serendipitous sunflower seed growth below the bird feeder where the tree cutters had cut off that tree for a shelf. It is the coolest thing. And the birds, yeah, they come and they make a mess and they went all over the ground. At first I was kind of like, ugh, what is this? This is, not that I'm OCD or anything. But seriously, it just filled in extra space around the tree and the gardening beds that I thought were going to be unusable bed space, but it totally wasn't, and it's grown, it's beautiful, and watching that has been really great. So comment below if you've had any happy accidents while gardening.
Watermelon plants doing fantastic. Bed 4. So yeah, totally numbered all my beds so that I could keep track. Pickling cucumber. I'm trying to avoid the sprinkler system. Doing pretty well. Bed 2 is literally doing amazing.
Be sure to like, like this video if you've had success growing tomatoes. And comment below if you haven't. When you're harvesting your own tomatoes and your own zucchini and radishes, that was the first thing and literally the easiest thing. Literally the easiest thing to grow. No joke. They aren't lying when they're saying that is the easiest thing to grow. You have to do radishes.
Tomato plants are sailing. Everything is just doing so well over there in the beds. Bed 3, doing really well. That little pepper plant in the middle, he's slowly but surely growing, but you know, what are you gonna do? Husband has been doing really well. He loves doing these tomato plants. I actually planted some more marigold seeds in here. And remember this little Roma tomato GMO guy? Still going. Haven't moved him yet. I wanted him to be 10 times stronger. And yes, as you can see, I put down some seed for grass, so I've got that coming in finally. Let's move on to the grapevines, because these guys have been doing really well. As you can see, I have been building cages around them to stop whatever is digging from digging up my plants.
But there's something to be said about harvesting from your own garden. I mean, aside from the fact that you're saving money and you're not going to the store and you're doing it yourself, it tastes better when you're eating from your own creation. It's just so amazing. It's just, I mean, hashtag blessed. It's just the coolest thing. I would have to say that was my favorite part. Obviously, all the work that's going into it and the frustrations that you're dealing with, that's one thing. And it's just, but seriously, it's so cool.
Those are the beets. Or, no, I'm sorry, radishes. Totally gonna pull those today, I think. It's seriously so hot out here. Anyway, here's one more. Bug on me.
To watch something like that happen and be like, look what I did, like this is great. And I mean, it's a skill. It is a underrated skill for sure. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, comment below. Tell me, do you garden? Are you good at it? Do you have any tips? Because I need them. Share the video with all your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell below so that you are notified every time I upload a new video.